Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is happening is the Google antitrust in the United States that is really giving out recommendations now in the case where the first recommendation is to have Google depart from the Chrome browser. So meaning they have to sell it, they have to give it to some other entity, some other company. This is interesting. What does that mean? What will happen is up in the air. Now it's recommendations. We'll see if officially all of that will be applied. But Google would need to depart from the Chrome browser, and also it would have to stop paying companies like Apple and other, of course, manufacturers for using Google as their main search engine. Now, would that change something? I don't think so, because Google is probably still going to be dominating, even if they would have to stop being paid for, or paying actually for, having Google being used on devices. The Chrome browser separation, well, it is dominant. Would that change anything to the dominance of the browser itself too? And, there would be some changes too, as we're talking about the Manifest v3 that is breaking extensions. And what's happening is that these extensions, because of Manifest v3, a lot of people think, well, it's mostly Google that just wants to break, ad blockers, for example. So could that also have a change? It's going to be interesting to see what all of this means at some point. We did see that when Microsoft got into the antitrust cases, pretty much everything declined from there, like the Internet Explorer browser, which was part of Windows and was dominant, suddenly lost its market share. Would that have the same impact with Google? It's a very different case, because it's Google Chrome is not, bundled with the with Windows, but or any system except Android, of course, but not necessarily on most phones that aren't Google. That like Samsung phones, for example, don't have Google Chrome installed, even though it's Android in the Samsung phone. Samsung has its own browser. So I don't know. This is interesting. What will happen with that if Chrome is being sold off, not part of Google anymore, and no more payments to Apple and other companies to have Google as the main search engine, even in the browsers? This is going to be interesting to see the future of Google itself with that broken off. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.